Welcome to World of Monsters. I'm Monster Master Arthur, and you're watching a sketch of the week, and, well, it's not a sketch of the week anymore, as I don't do these as often. And this one was GIGAN, the original GIGAN from Godzilla vs. GIGAN, and it was a request by Switchboard, so thank you, Switchboard, for the request. And I got a few important things to talk about, so I'm not going to be covering the sketch much in this video. And first of all, I have to talk about the webcam and the live stream. I'm still working on that. Basically, I uninstalled or removed some of the webcam software before, and now I want it back, but I'm having problems, serious problems, reinstalling everything and even uninstalling it. And it's the C920, which is pretty much the most popular webcam out there, or well known. If you guys have any information on this, let me know. I'm pretty good with IT stuff, and I'm finally asking the Logitech support for help, but who knows if they'll respond or when they'll respond. So if you have any knowledge on these kind of issues, do hit me up. I would totally appreciate that. As soon as that gets working, then I will announce the live stream, and that will be on a Saturday evening, since you guys voted Saturday as the best day for live streams. Also, congratulations to YouTube user Dakin the Messenger, as that person guessed Medusa correctly on my little hint on the community tab where I had my face and the little lights on my eyes. It was actually a hint at the Gorgon videos that were coming up, and now we're 2 episodes in and should be the 3rd one in very soon. So good job at guessing Medusa, which was close enough as it was Gorgon. During the live stream, I'll also announce the vote results for what the next playlist will be that you guys voted for in our last milestone video. If you didn't vote, please go to that video and vote. It's the one entitled Thank You Milestone 51,200. Next topic on the news is my sketchbook is finally coming to an end. Should have been much earlier, so I'm not proud of that, but I am proud that it is finally coming to an end, and I'm going to be selling all the sketches in there. And I just want to give you a heads up that you guys have first dibs on any and all the artwork in that sketchbook. I will make pretty much one more video on it, showing off all the monsters and artworks in it, but I say you guys have the dibs because I will be putting everything on sale, and so you guys can tell me pretty much at any time if there's one you want me to hold for you. If you don't, then, well, if it's sold, then you may be out of luck. So if you are interested in any particular sketch, do let me know, and I'm pretty easy to contact, so you can do that pretty much anywhere. You can always private message me also through YouTube, which is at the About page on the channel page, if you didn't know that. And last but not least, me fellow and sister monster-rights out there, YouTube is definitely at a low time for us creators out there right now. Whatever they're doing with the algorithm, it might change, it might not, it might keep going down. It's been going down for a while, and you've probably heard big YouTubers such as Boogie, I think Philip DeFranco, and even Scalagrim. If you follow my channel, you probably follow Scalagrim, who talks about swords. He's got almost 1 million subscribers now, and he said that his view count is as much, or his earnings are as much as they were in 2014. So that's pretty bad. I mean, he's got almost 1 million subscribers. He should be getting a lot more views, all of those guys. And as well as here, our views are ridiculously low for how many subscribers we have, and I doubt most people will even watch this video. So consider yourself the elites. And since you are the elites, I wish I could find a way to somehow reward you for sticking with the channel and being as supportive as you are. I am thinking about doing a Patreon, and I'll further discuss that in the live stream. I am considering it, but I kind of have a feeling that it's too late, and I've always hesitated on doing that as I didn't want to ask for more support or money outside, but I am trying to do the best quality shows, and I'm trying to do just that, as shows, like TV shows, but shows on monsters. That's why I have the different playlists, and that does take a lot of work, not just heavy grinding and editing, but research and everything else that comes with running a channel and getting the information out. So if you guys can share videos or click the notification button, I don't know what else you can do to really help, but it's tough times, and I am considering Patreon, and if I do, I've got the Patreon set up in a really kind of exciting way. I like to organize things, and I want to reward people for supporting us. So the more people that join the Patreon and support us, the cheaper like certain accesses and advantages and benefits become to everybody that's on Patreon. So I have that all set up, but, you know, like I said, I'm still hesitant on it, and considering how low things are getting, I may have to be doing other things to better help support myself, the channel, and so channel video releases might really decrease from me. So that will be determined within the next couple months or so. If you do want to support me directly, maybe through PayPal or something, again, I hate asking this, I'll leave a link in the description section below for my PayPal. Otherwise, let me know what you think about the Patreon idea. If I do go part-time on this channel and put full-time hours somewhere else to make up the money that supports my living and this channel, then I may do a Patreon, but at that point, there's not going to be as much reason for me to do it, as I'll be fine financially. It's just the channel is going to be suffering, and that's the most important thing to me, is the channel. It's my life. It's my passion. I love growing communities. That's why I like the idea of Patreon, as I can grow the community there from a different angle, and I really enjoy that aspect of things. It's always been almost number one for me, community. I do want to keep these short, so for further news and information and everything else on this channel, stay tuned to that upcoming live stream. And either way, I will get it going, whether it's from a laptop or whatever, and I will get it to the best quality I can using the C920, just on a different computer. Until then, please share your ideas, continue being awesome. I've got amazing subscribers out there, followers and friends, and I will never forget that. So again, and as always, thank you very much.